Hi, good morning. I'm gonna show you how to make this decorative lantern. Okay, look like this. So you need the material, this, okay, in envelope, a red envelope, and this kind of thing, in chopstick, okay, all right, and this. Or this. Alright, so alright, so we're gonna start to do this now. Hi, good morning. So we need a red envelope like this size. First we're gonna glue this part, okay. Okay, after you glue, you're gonna fold it into two. Okay. Right. So if you wanna cut it straight, so you just measure about 1 centimeter, maybe less than that, something like that. Then you can cut about. If you want to cut it evenly, so you can just half. Then you're going to cut it into this, like this, okay, up to this line. Okay, this is the line, okay, you can see it, and then just cut it up to this line. Now, I'm going to flip it, make it like this way. Now you can glue this part. So we're gonna I use the glue gun, okay. We're gonna glue this part. So I'm gonna use the glue gun. So this part. So after you glue this, you need this called some kind of diamond look. So just glue it on. Okay, so you're gonna glue top and bottom, okay, this side, and then we're gonna glue another side, just like this side, okay, all right. So just do like this. All right, so this is the part you're gonna do. Now I'm gonna show you how to do this top part, okay. So this will need a piece of like this, okay. So you're gonna get maybe left a little bit like this, okay? Because we need to put it outside, okay? So you can left 3 or 4 is fine, 5, up to you, okay? So if you put like this, then we just glue this, go around with this pipe cleaner, this go around. Okay, so if you left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1. Okay. So that's basically now you can put it in here. Okay, you can take half. So about half. This is just attached to it. Attach the thing. Just go inside any of the hole, okay? And then you just push it to the top. Alright. So something. You can either do this. So this is the one. Then the top part come like this. And the same one like this, okay? Alright, so you just have to put the bottom part, okay? Then if you want to do the chopstick, you can use a small one, you can hang it on the top. You can just go through it for the decoration, okay? So you can use the chopstick. Either you color it, okay? Use a pen to color it, or you can use a chopstick by using a duct tape, duct tape to tape it. Just like this, you can tape the chopstick. It's up to you. Okay? Or you don't have to do it. It's fine too. So you can just go around. So this is for decorative lantern. All right. Okay, so this part you just have to put it back. Alright, I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you next time again. And if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye now.